हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं ये स्किन डीप का जो फेशियल ट्रीटमेंट किट है 10 स्टेप रेजिमेन, इसको रिव्यू करूँगी। अगर आपको प्रोडक्ट्स के रिव्यूज़ और अनबॉक्सिंग पसंद है तो मुझे कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियो। सो ये पूरा पैकेज जो है वो इस तरह से एक बॉक्स में आया है, साथ ये 2 कार्ड्स आए हैं। आई विल मेक श्योर टू रीड इट फॉर यू गाइज। सो इट्स स्किन डीप 100% natural, non-toxic, cruelty free. Oh hey beauty, why are you reading this? Unbox me already. Tips for the perfect unboxing. So the first step is the setup. The second step is that you have to show the goods, and step 3 is that you share it. So I'll be sure to link them on my Instagram page. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Skin Deep is all about being patient with yourself, be tender with your heart, cry when you want to cry, love when you want to laugh, accept the support and support others in return. Remember, every act of kindness sent your way. Don't apologize for your vulnerability, and if you need to stare at a blank wall just remembering times that make you smile, that's okay too. PS, pass this to someone you know who's going through a difficult time and tell them they are not alone in this. If that person is you, we care and we are here for you. Talk to us, everything is going to be okay. So I've always loved boxes and gift baskets जहाँ जिसमें छोटी छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं, because everything is a surprise. So this is a very beautiful box. इस पे जो है वो बहुत प्यारे से फूल बने हुए हैं, and इसकी बैक साइड पे जो है वो सारे स्टेप्स लिखे हुए हैं. So there are 10 steps for this skin treatment kit. Actually, I'll make sure to go through all these steps ताकि आपको भी साथ फॉलो कर सकें. इसके अलावा इनके स्टेप्स जो हैं वो वेबसाइट्स के ऊपर भी दिए हुए हैं. So now I'll be opening the box for you guys. So Skin Deep Stay at Home Facial Treatment Kit 10 स्टेप रेजिमेन. ये बॉक्स ऑर्डर करने का मेरा मकसद ही ये था कि कोरोना वायरस में जो है वो मैं बाहर ना निकलूँ, एंड इट्स जस्ट नॉट सेफ टू गो टू पार्लर्स एंड गेट अ फेशियल डन. सो आई वाज रियली इन नीड ऑफ सच किट. सो अल्टीमेटली आई गॉट अक्रॉस दिस स्किन डीप पेज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई फाइनली ऑर्डर्ड इट. So I have opened the box. As you can tell, 10 इसके अंदर प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो कि 10 स्टेप्स को लेकर चलेंगे फॉर द फेशियल. The first one being nourishing oil cleanser. So हमारे पास यहाँ पर जो है वो nourishing oil cleanser जो है वो ये है, and it is a nourishing oil cleanser, and it micro dissolved cleansing oil. It clarifies. So you have to start with a double cleanse. Massage the nourishing oil cleanser on the face and neck in upward strokes for 3 minutes to melt away makeup and remove unwanted dead skin cells while still keeping the lipid barrier intact. Rinse off the oil-based cleanser thoroughly using a warm washcloth. So you have to, massage it on your face to get all the makeup out at the first place, and you have to wash it away with a washcloth. So coming to the next step, that is the organic regenerating cleanser. So here it is, the organic regenerating cleanser, and it is a daily cleansing treatment, and it's handmade. So you have to cleanse with the organic regenerating cleanser for deeper pore cleansing, wet face and décolleté area massage product and wash off. Focus on areas of oil and congestion and massage really well into the nooks and crannies of the skin. तो मतलब आपने इसको जो है बहुत अच्छे से मसाज करना है, मतलब अपनी नोज़ के पास जहाँ आपके रिंकल्स हैं, around the lip area and also the neck. You should never miss your neck whenever performing a facial, because you don't want that double toned face and neck. That is very not appreciated result of a good facial. So step 3 is the coconut facial scrub. This is the coconut facial scrub, and it exfoliates, resurfaces and softens. So slow off the top layer of skin cells and excess oils with the coconut facial scrub in order to ensure that the ingredients penetrate and you get the most out of other steps. Gently buff and polish away dirt and dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, fresher and purified complexion. Massage with wet fingers and wipe off with a warm washcloth. So you don't want to create a mess or anything, you will have to have a washcloth handy. तो उसकी वजह से ये होगा कि mess create नहीं होगा and you will get that spa facial experience at home. So there were 3 steps in total. Now coming to the step 4, that is the turmeric skin polish. So turmeric skin polish is what brightens and soothes. So massage into damp skin while avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 5 to 15 minutes to let it work its magic. Remove with water in circular motions to exfoliate. For added exfoliation, remove with warm washcloth. This brightening face mask polishes and resurfaces skins to promote healthy cell renewal, helps soften the appearance of inflammation, discoloration, pigmentation and sun damage. So, you know, a lot of benefits of turmeric itself. It has been used for decades in skincare. So, turmeric skin polish will really, bring out the freshness of your skin in such a less time and at the comfort of your home. So, coming to the bonus step now, that is after this turmeric skin polish, that is fill a bowl with hot water and position your face over the bowl with the towel over your head to let your skin open up while masking. A quick 5-minute steam will do a fantastic job of softening the skin and opening the pores for the next step. So it's a bonus step if you steam your face. It's not necessary, but it will just open your pores and be good for you. Now coming to step number 5, that is the rose facial mask. So this is the rose facial mask that repairs and protects. Apply medium layer of rose facial mask to dry, clean skin. Avoid the immediate eye area. Allow the mask to sit on the skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use warm water to rinse off, scented with rose absolute. This face mask is luxurious and pampering. It helps to replenish and restore skin with moisture. So while reading the steps, ये products मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा promising लग रहे हैं. It was right now the unboxing of these products, but I will be sure to review their products as well. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I will be posting my review on Instagram, not on YouTube. And so far so good. The packaging and the quality of products looks fine and amazing. So moving further, we have step number 6. Okay, step number 6 is the Rose Facial Tonic. And this one is the hydrating floral toner. Saturate a cotton pad and sweep over your face and neck. The best-selling formula has an unmatched amount of rose power. It hydrates and clears skins of leftover impurities, leaving it silky soft and prepped for the products you apply after. So this is really good facial tonic. अगर ये वो products हैं कि अगर आपने ये 10 steps नहीं भी follow करने, so you can just add them in your morning or night routines as on its own. मतलब अकेले भी आप इन products को use कर सकते हो और सब कुछ. तो ये इस तरह से pump में जो है वो tonic है. And yeah. Coming to step number 7, that is the Rose Facial Gel. Okay, I am very excited about these 3 products because let's see how and possibly they are different from one another. So this is the Rose Facial Gel, and after toning, apply a generous layer to your face. The lightweight gel acts like a moisture magnet, attracting and increasing it for 24-hour deep hydration. The gel contains essential ingredients to quench and soothe skin. So you know it's to have that cooling effect on your face. So ये gel इसलिए जो है वो हमारे साथ हमें provide की हुई है. Step number 8 is the concentrated brightening serum. It is illuminating and tone correcting treatment. The bonus tip here is to maximize the result. Apply the serum after damping phase from a few drops of toner again. It's the best way to soup up serums. It will help a little bit of serum go a long way. It's a super natural high performance serum that targets discoloration, dark spots and dullness to restore a youthfully bright and even toned look. So what are they recommending is that you want to just apply it with a toner, that is this rose facial tonic. तो इन दोनों का जो combination है that will act like wonders and you don't really have to go through all these products every day. तो ये आप मतलब अगर आप दो चीज़ें भी रोज कर लो तो it will make a significant to your skin. So let's see how all of these products go. And coming to the last steps, step number 9, we have the coffee eye balm, and this eye balm is perfect for using with our jade roller. Its rich moisturizing texture helps the jade just glide over the skin and soothe away any puffiness and get rid of dark circles. Alternately, gently massage over the under eye area with your fingers. It's the ultimate self-care treatment for the end of the facial. So इनका जो है ना वो एक जेड रोलर है, that is कुछ स्टोन होता है उसके ऊपर. So it is very trendy these days for the absorption of all the products that you apply on your face. So if you want to check that out, you can visit their website. Moving to the very last step and very important step of any facial is the lip balm. So we have rose lip butter. Apply to lips for perfect pout nourishment. The shea lip treatment leaves lips looking fuller, feeling softer and happily hydrated. Also restores the natural lip color with regular use. Now we have the bonus tip, that is use a small amount of coconut facial scrub on the lips for perfect pout exfoliation during step 3. So what are they saying कि जब आप ये facial scrub करेंगे coconut वाला तो you should just also scrub your lips away. So not scrub the lips away itself, but scrub the dead skin of your lips away. So after scrubbing your lips, you should apply this lip butter. So this is it for the video today. Do follow me on Instagram to know how well these products were. I'll be sure to review all these products on my Instagram page. This was just an unboxing. I'll be sure to tell you how they smelled and how they performed on my skin, and is it even recommendable or not. So do follow me on Instagram for any other information, like my channel and subscribe to my channel, and do comment down below which one was your favorite product. And until then, take care.